It is a perfect day here in Lone Pine, California. We got Mount Whitney looming there in the distance, but we're headed that way to the Valley of Death. Dun, 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 dun. I'd like to apologize to the guests staying here at the Comfort Inn. This is a cold startup on a 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. We're going where no Aventador has ever gone before. We are climbing Mount Whitney. Check out that view. Whoa, whoa. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, no, not quite yet. Whoa, there's Mount Whitney. Okay, we gotta find a place to park. It is day 2 of Aventador ownership. I still cannot believe I own this car. Like, how in the world do we have an Aventador? We're here at Mount Whitney. This place means a lot to me because about 9 years ago, one of the scariest moments in my entire life, I fell down the mountain. Luckily, I survived. I actually wasn't hurt whatsoever, which is amazing. But Mount Whitney is that tall peak way back there in the distance. It's the highest point in the lower 48 states. So we are headed down this road, down there through the Alabama hills to Lone Pine, and then out that way to Death Valley, and then on to Vegas. Whoa, whoa, that's a long ways down. Check this place out. This is amazing. This is the High Sierra Nevadas in Eastern California. Just look at that car, what? The tires on the Aventador are not in the best shape, but I have a set of new Michelins being shipped to Lambeau, Las Vegas right now. Like, we're headed there. Like, in today's video, we're getting, well, we're getting new tires soon. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. The outdoors people, I'm an outdoors person. They're not gonna like this, but sometimes in life, you gotta rev the V12. Okay, we gotta get lost. Someone's gonna get mad. It's a V12, it's an Aventador, I had to. And yes, we're off-roading the Aventador for the second time in 3 days of ownership. We're not gonna go far, we're just trying to get photos for the gram. I'm totally gonna get this Aventador stuck someday. Oh, hello, what's up? Get a Jeep. Sorry, FJ Cruiser fans. Unsurprisingly, the V12 Lambo, it doesn't get better fuel economy than the V10. It actually gets worse. We're out here smashing records and going bankrupt. $4.69 a gallon. That just cost $99. It's got a V12, but do you guys remember about maybe 19 seconds ago when I was revving the Aventador for no reason whatsoever? Yeah, we're not gonna be doing that anymore. I can't afford it. We are on the edge of Death Valley National Park. It's always awkward pulling up to a place in an Aventador because, well, it gets a lot of attention. Her first time ever sitting in an Aventador. Didn't expect to see this car out here in Death Valley. Oh, watch your head.
All the way from Scotland.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I just bought the car 2 days ago. And I'm driving it back to Utah where I live.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so.
Let me get a picture of you.
Welcome to Death Valley. Premium is $5.45 a gallon. Good thing we already filled up. And on that bombshell. Also, fun fact, the check engine light, it's gone. I don't know. It was on, it was off, it was on, it was off. Now it's off. We just arrived here to Death Valley National Park. It's like 95 degrees. We are 100 feet below sea level right now. The Aventador looks so good out here in the desert, but we're so late. We're so late, we don't have time. Welcome back to Lamborghini Las Vegas. We are dropping off the car to get serviced. We got a couple Urises. You guys might remember those from what, 3 vlogs ago? We're actually going to Audi Henderson because the service center is in there.
How you doing?
What's up, man? Sorry I'm late.
No, you're good. I'm Ben.
Ben, James, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
This is my dad, Tom. Swapping out the Aventador for the Audi A8. I'm dropping off the Aventador. It needs a bunch of servicing, annual servicing, new tires, that check engine light, the door needs to be looked at. So it's not gonna be cheap, but we're gonna see this car in a couple days. We're hopping in an A8. Check this thing out, the Audi A8. I don't really fit in something like this. This is very luxurious. This is like what a Russian dictator, wait, yeah. Anyways, this is complete deja vu, but my dad hasn't seen the new Urus yet, so we want to show it off to him. Also, Performante. the Urus, and check it out. I'm on the TV right now, but there's a lady on the phone. I remember that video. It's the MSOP1. It's amethyst black. Oh, what's up, Adam? I just wanted to point out, guys, that I'm wearing a different shirt this time. So, yeah, for what that's worth. If it's worth anything, probably nothing at all. George is hooking us up again. We're gonna take that same Urus out just for a little bit, just so my dad can see what 650 horsepower, 5,000 pounds is all about. I think we're going to Chick-fil-A. I'm pretty sure we're going to Chick-fil-A. Yeah, Chick-fil-A is down that street and to the left, so that's where we're headed. Not quite full throttle, but full throttle. Thing picks up and goes so fast. Oh my goodness. What a switch from the Aventador, but it still has the Lambo DNA. I'm filming a video for scientific reasons. Can I ask you one question? What kind of car do you think this is?
Definitely not a Lamborghini.
Definitely not a Lamborghini, right?
Is it actually?
It is a Lamborghini.
Dang.
Wait, did you actually say that jokingly, or did you actually know it was a Lambo?
No, I was joking. I just read the side. I didn't think.
It says it on the side! Yeah.
Promoting for it, but that makes sense. It doesn't look like one.
No, right? Exactly. All right, thank you.
Everything.
Once the Aventador is done, we'll come back and we'll ask the same question because, I mean, it is a Lambo, but it's not a Lambo. But it is a Lambo. Obviously, we're not gonna eat Chick-fil-A in the Urus. I mean, we could, but it's not ours. Also, that was the worst social experiment of all time. I apologize for that. It says Lamborghini right there. So, yeah, I'll do better next time, but cheers to that. My dad just made the comment that I walk into a restaurant so many times, the hype is off the charts, and then I never film the food vlog, and that's because I get so excited to just chow down that I forget to film. So I'm sorry, Chick-fil-A is effectively over. We've been out of lemonade, so that's why. It was very good, it was amazing. It was amazing, it was so good. Like, I wish you guys could have been here to taste it. It was simply... We have a whole row of SUVs. The Urus is kind of sort of blending in. We got the Q7, we got the Q5. Oh, hello, hello. We got the Urus. So the Urus is on the same platform as the Q8, but it just looks so much more aggressive than all these other SUVs. It definitely has the Lambo styling. Like I said in the last vlog, it needs to be lime green though. It needs to be lime green. What if the Urus had scissor doors? Would that be cool, or would that be really dumb? It'd be kind of dumb, but kind of cool at the same time. It doesn't quite sound like the Aventador. That's all I'm gonna say. We're in Corsa mode right now. We got the heads-up display with the speedometer and the tachometer. Hit it. I'm gonna have to blur out both the heads-up display and the speedometer. So we're gonna shut her down. Oh, my battery's flashing red. This is gonna be the world's quickest walk around ever. My battery is flashing red, so if the camera dies, I'm sorry. This Urus, $249,000, effectively the same price as the Aventador. Did I make the right decision? If you disagree, don't tell me. If you agree, in the comments below, let me know. But 249 grand. This thing is properly sick though. Let's see, I don't know what to do. There's all this pressure because the battery's dying. Wait for it, dun dun dun. Oh. There's all this plastic! You can't even see the Lambo heart! It's got a twin turbocharged V8, 650 horsepower. I'm pretty sure this is faster than my Aventador. Give it some more, give it some more! It's a twin turbocharged V8, so expectations are relatively low. But remember when I revved the Aventador? That was monumental. This car, it needs downpipes. It needs to be opened up, preferably catless. And this thing I'm sure will scream, but stock, it's okay, it's not bad. I mean, obviously it's a sports SUV, but... All right, Dad, what's your review of the car? Would you rock a Urus?
It feels good, it feels nice, it's comfortable. It's a Lamborghini, it's awesome, but it's not an Aventador.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's cool, but it's not an Aventador. It's not, yeah, it's cool. My dad said it best. I don't know why I'm trying to talk. One thing my dad just pointed out, the Urus would have been brand new and it would have came with a warranty. So the $7,000 that I'm spending right now getting the car serviced, I wouldn't have had to spend on the Urus. So, yeah. Also, a new transmission for a Lamborghini Aventador is $60,000, and the 2012s are very prone to leaking. So, that could be coming to a vlog near you. Hopefully not. Be sure to smash that like button, just because I just found that out and probably should have known that before, but I didn't. So I left my drone at home back in Utah because there's no storage in the Aventador. But with the Urus, if you set the camera up quite right, we can actually drive it and you can see what it looks like from the outside. It's pretty cool. Check that out. Ayo! Oh no! There they are. There they are. They sound pretty good, but if you decatted this, it'd sound a lot better. Also, this is a dead end. Another massive shout out to Lambo Las Vegas for letting me take the Urus, or is it? I don't know how to pronounce it. I say Urus. I know that's wrong. I think it's Urus. I don't know. That does not matter. We got the Huracan Performante, but check out what just showed up. The Gallardo Squadra course. This is the last iteration of the Gallardo. I love that rear deck lid. I would love to get that for the Gallardo. Sat here next to the Performante. There is a Gallardo Performante as well, but in a lot of ways, like, the Squadra course is what the Performante is to the Huracan. Like, it's the ultimate Gallardo. This thing is sick. No way. Gordon, F-Spot, if you're watching today's video, you know what to do. I think today's video is effectively over. We don't really have any plans. We got a Speciale, we got an Aventador S. So I think we're just headed to the hotel now. I just booked us a hotel room for 22 bucks, but now that I think about it, we should have just slept in these back seats. Like, they have heated and cool seats. They're massaging seats as well. Like, that would have probably been more comfortable than our hotel room, which is where we're headed right now. We could have saved 22 bucks, which I'm gonna need because that servicing is gonna be like $7,000. So it has 61 miles on it. This thing is brand new. This is the first time anyone's ever driven it, and they chose us. Like, we are undeserving. In Fiesta Forever, $22 hotel room. For $22, you can't beat that price. We're on the 10th floor. We are high in the sky. We're not really on the 10th floor. They just try to upsell it that way, but
2 hours later.
I'm gonna finish today's video right here. My dad is in the hotel room asleep. So buying the Aventador was somewhat of a surprise, I'm sure, for most of you guys, because I was gonna buy a Lamborghini Murcielago LP640 Roadster. Like, every morning, every night, I check Auto Trader, Cars.com, the Lamborghini forums, and I would search for that perfect LP640 Roadster. I even made an offer on a Grigio Telesto LP640 Roadster, but unfortunately, we couldn't come to terms, and so I didn't end up buying that car. Now, I really wanted to get either a blue, an orange, or a green LP640, but I just couldn't find them. And I don't want to say I bought the Aventador because I was impatient and couldn't find the right Murcielago, because the Aventador, I mean, it's an Aventador, of course, it's an Aventador, but I got a little bit impatient. And then also, the month of September, I smashed every single record I've ever could have had on YouTube. That didn't make sense, but you know what I mean. I had almost 18 million views, and I gained like 150, 160,000 subscribers. And so from a financial standpoint, September treated me very well, which kind of allowed me to jump up into the Aventador. And then when I found this Aventador, guys, I got such a good deal on this car. It is a 2012, so it's prone to the transmission issues, but I got such a good deal on this car that regardless, even if I blow the tranny, like, obviously that's still a bad day, I got such a good deal, like, I couldn't say no. Like, I could not say no. If I would have said no, if I would have passed on this car, I would have regretted it. And man, the last couple days, like, I have fallen in love with this car. Like, I am so glad I went Aventador. Maybe someday I'll own a Murcielago, but I have absolutely no regrets. So yes, I did say on and on and on and on that I was gonna buy an LP640 Roadster, and that's true, I was going to, but sometimes in life, you gotta buy an Aventador. So effectively, that is going to end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.